Hello dear friends, today I draw this fish using number 10. Let's go start the video. At first I draw number 10. After draw a curved line, draw fish mouth, draw another curved line, connect the line, draw another line, draw zigzag line and connect the line. Now I draw some curved line and its fill color with black color. Then we draw the fish tail. Now I draw two line and draw number 3. Draw some line. Draw the letter O. Draw the letter O. After I draw two line and some zigzag line. Our fish fan is ready. Now draw two line and draw 3. Dear friends, our nice fish is ready. Dear viewers, thanks for watching this video. If you are new viewers our YouTube channel or Facebook page, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page and like, comment, share this video. Tata, bye bye.